And Ohio's other U.S. Senator was also in East Palestine today, making his first trip as well since the train derailment. First News senior reporter Jerry Ricciuti spoke with J.D. Vance about his concerns about the cleanup and the future health of the community.
Senator J.D. Vance spent the morning talking with residents and business people in East Palestine. He tells me stories he's heard of contractors hired by Norfolk Southern burying contaminated soil beneath new rail lines is especially troubling.
So the fact that they replaced the rails, I think, suggests they're much more focused in reopening the railway than in cleaning up this community. That's a big, big problem.
This is Vance's first visit since the massive derailment and fire nearly 2 weeks ago. He says he agrees with Governor Mike DeWine in not requesting a federal disaster declaration just yet, insisting it's up to the railroad to pay bills related to the cleanup, not taxpayers.
Right now, this is very important. When somebody causes a problem, they have an obligation to fix it, and Norfolk Southern is the one who caused this problem.
I asked Vance about what many say has been a lack of information about whether the air and water are really safe. He says it's hard to know that when no one will say what level of contamination is really harmful.
The senator says he requested that information from the Centers for Disease Control earlier this week, calling the delay in getting the information frustrating.
What are the acceptable levels of contamination here before this becomes endangering to human health? We have not yet gotten a good answer, and it's something we're to keep hammering on.
In the meantime, Vance urges residents in the area to have their water systems tested now and in the future to determine if they've been polluted, promising to keep after the railroad to ensure the cleanup is done properly. In East Palestine, Jerry Ricciuti, WKBN 27 First News.